Hey everyone. So I'm going to walk you through how to do the paper airplane lab, what exactly it is that we are doing. So first, let's go over how you access the information. So here we are in today's folder. And what I want you to do is I want you to head down to the very bottom here where it says paper airplane lab and go ahead and click on that. This is an assignment that is embedded in Schoology. And so you're going to have a couple of good things in here. First off, here's the rubric, how I will be grading the paper airplane lab. So read through that so you have an idea of what it is that I'm looking for. Please note that the lab is worth 20 formative points and it is due Friday, September 18th at 11:59 p.m. So that's what you need to know. So my screen looks a little different than yours, but up here where these two are, there will be something that says like my assignment or my copy or something like that. Click on that and it will take you to the lab. Uh, it will be your own copy of the lab. You can edit it and do whatever you want with it. So let me show you what this is going to look like once you get there. So this is the lab. A couple of important things when we do labs. Um, so first off, if you want to work with a partner, as I said, that's fine. Just make sure that you are safe about it and do it digitally. So only need to fill out one lab per group. Make sure both of your names are on it. Every box on a lab is worth points. Okay, so that's why I set up the labs the way I do, so that you can easily tell what's worth points. If you leave boxes empty, you are going to lose points. So just remember that. We'll talk about conclusions later. But what we are doing here is I've laid out all the steps of the scientific method, and here's the basic, or here's the premise of the lab. I want you to um, do something regarding paper airplanes. Okay, it can be whatever you want, but find a question that you want to answer regarding paper airplanes. So that's your purpose, and you can make your paper airplanes out of whatever you want. You can use whatever methods for folding the paper airplanes that you want to, whatever you want to do. But so, for example, I have an example here of what material makes a paper airplane fly farthest, metal, wood, or paper. That would be an example of a purpose. If you want to do something like that, that's cool. If you want to do something completely different, that's fine, but put your purpose here. I'm not going to walk through the entire assignment with you, but today what I want you to focus on is the purpose, the research, the hypothesis, and then I want you to identify your variables, your responding variable, and your control variables. And that's going to be your focus for today. So just kind of getting an idea of what it is that you want to do, how you're going to do it. If you want to do more than that, that's fine. But tomorrow we'll start going over procedure and data. So we'll get more into that later. But if you have any questions whatsoever about how to run the lab, how to make a lab, how to pick a purpose, check in with me. You can make an appointment and we will chat. I'll be very happy to help you out. So check this out. And if you have any questions whatsoever, please feel free to reach out.